Let's say you need 100 new leads for a client campaign by tomorrow. Normally that means hours of manual searching, copying numbers into a spreadsheet, and hoping you don't end up with a dozen duplicates. In this video, I'm showing you how to do that entire process inside Lead Hunter in a few minutes, from finding businesses to organizing them into a pipeline, to messaging them on WhatsApp to exporting everything into your CRM. This is a complete start-to-finish walkthrough, so stick around till the end. Let's open the app. First thing you'll see when you open Lead Hunter is the dashboard. Think of this as your control center. It tells you exactly where your prospecting stands before you even run a new search. Up top, 4 numbers matter most: total leads, qualified leads, leads with direct phone, and leads with active website. These update automatically as you collect more data. Scroll down and you'll find something genuinely useful: Intelligent Prospecting Insights. This section analyzes your entire lead database and tells you things like how many businesses don't have a website yet, what percentage of your leads have a direct phone number, and how many are actually qualified and ready for outreach. It's basically Lead Hunter doing your lead analysis for you. Below that, Recent Search Jobs shows your last few campaigns, and Target Lead Lists shows any custom segments you've built. We'll cover that a bit later. Now let's actually go find some leads. Click Find Leads on the left. Type in the business category you're targeting. I'll go with restaurants and enter your target location. I'll search Delhi, India. Set your search radius. I'll leave it at 10 kilometers, which covers a standard metro area, and set your target lead limit. I'll pull 100 leads for this demo. Want tighter quality control? Click Expand Advanced Qualification Filters and set a minimum rating. I've set mine to 4-star and above. Notice these all show up as tags right above the search button, so you always know exactly what you searched for. When you're ready, hit Start Lead Discovery Search. Once the search finishes, your leads land in All Leads. This is where you'll spend most of your time. You can view everything grouped by campaign, or switch to flat table if you prefer one continuous list. Use the search bar, or filter by campaign, city or status, then hit Apply Filters. Look at what each row gives you: business name, category, a score out of 100, rating, a properly formatted phone number, website or a clear no website tag when there isn't one, exact location, and status. Now click into any lead, and a full profile panel slides open on the right. At the top, you've got the lead score and 3 direct action buttons: email, call, WhatsApp. Right below that is pipeline status. This is where Lead Hunter really replaces a separate CRM. You can move any lead through new, qualified, contacted, interested, follow-up, converted, not interested, or disqualified, all with one click. Scroll down and Opportunity Signals flags useful gaps, like this one telling us the business has no direct email listed, which tells you exactly how to approach them. Below that, Contact Channels gives you the phone number with a one-tap copy button, email status, and the live website link, and location shows the full address. If you're running multiple campaigns or want to isolate your best prospects, use lead lists. Here's a segment I've built called Delhi Web Design Agencies with 200 leads inside. Collecting leads is only useful if you actually reach out, so let's set that up. Click WhatsApp Setup. At the top, you'll see clickable variables: business name, category, city, rating, website, phone. Click any of these to drop them straight into your message. On the right, the live WhatsApp chat preview shows exactly how your message will look once it's personalized. Here, it's rendering for Al Laziz Restaurant. Scroll down for pre-built outreach presets: cold intro, website and digital growth pitch, partnership and B2B proposal, and quick business inquiry. Pick one, tweak it, or write your own from scratch, then hit Save Template. Now go back to any lead in your list and click the WhatsApp icon. Your message opens up already filled in with that specific business's details. No copy-pasting, no manual editing. Once you're ready to move your leads somewhere else, a CRM, a spreadsheet, wherever, head to Export. Pick your format: CSV, Excel, or JSON. Choose a CRM field mapping preset. The standard lead CSV covers name, category, phone, email, website, address, rating, and score, already mapped and ready to import. Hit Export File, and it'll show you exactly how many leads are being exported. Or use Copy to Clipboard if you just need to paste the data quickly somewhere else. 2 more things worth knowing. Under History, you'll find a full log of every search you've ever run, with the option to hit Run Again and repeat any past search instantly. And under License, you can check your plan status, license expiration, device seats, and manage your license key, all directly inside the app. And that's the complete process, from finding leads, to tracking them through your pipeline, to messaging them on WhatsApp, to exporting everything into your CRM. All inside one desktop app. If you're running an agency, doing freelance sales, or just tired of manually hunting for leads, give Lead Hunter a try. Link is in the description. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.